This week, Memecoin Myro on the Solana chain went up by almost 300%. In the last 3 months, it went up around 1,800%. Now, where did you hear first about it? Probably in our Telegram group on the 15th of December. So that was over here, roughly. So since then, the price more than doubled. So feel free to join us. It's free. The link is down below. Now, in this video, I want to focus on what's the potential upside here. How much further can Myro potentially grow? And what could potentially be the next Myro? We are going to look at wallets that bought Myro early, and we're going to check what are they now holding. So you will not see me repeating the marketing jazz on the website or on the 5-page white paper. Instead, let's compare Myro with similar meme coins. Myro's market cap is currently at 70 million. Bonk, the largest meme coin on Solana, is 700 million, so roughly a 10x from here. And Bonk has already fallen quite a bit. It used to be 30 times larger than Myro is today. Tokenomics, one of the largest meme coins on Avalanche, is currently at 92 million. But again, this was also 3 times larger at its peak. So what's the potential upside here? Maybe 3x, maybe 30x, but definitely not beyond that. Now, from those comparable meme coins, you've already seen now, right? There are massive rallies in them, but they can also deflate. You definitely do not want to buy into a meme coin that's currently deflating. So the way how I have, for example, ridden the Tokenomics wave is by using at least a mental trailing stop loss. So the price is going up, and then I adjust my stop loss as the price is going up. And then once the price doesn't go up that quickly anymore, once it stagnates, it potentially dips a little bit, then I'm selling, right? I'm selling as my stop loss rises and rises. So I make sure I take profits fast enough. You do not want to be in a meme coin as it goes down 60 or 70%. Now I want to show an approach how to find the potential next Myro. We want to know what kind of people buy into things like Myro early and made a lot of gains, and what are they now buying. One way to do this is with DEX Screener. So that's dexscreener.com. And in here, besides the recent transactions, we've also got a tab for the top traders. So of course, first you want to copy the token address. You want to paste it into DEX Screener. You get to this page, you click on top traders over here. Then you can see what kind of money are people actually making. Now what we notice here for those top traders, that a lot of the wallets do not have unrealized gains. They seem to be automatically trading mainly. For example, here, 72,000 transactions for buying, 26,000 transactions for selling, 1 million in profit and losses, nothing that's unrealized, so no current balance. In other words, this is very likely just a trading bot, a front-run trading bot. The same is true for the second wallet, 2,000 transactions for buying, 6,000 for selling. The third might be an insider. He seems to have never bought, only sold. So maybe he got some tokens allocated. Let's look at the first wallet that still holds some of the tokens. 37 buying transactions, 58 selling transactions, 20k in unrealized gains, 130k in profit. This might be a real trader. So we click here on this filter icon to get the transactions of this particular trader. Now, isn't that interesting? A lot of buying that happened around the 21st of December, 23rd of December. You can zoom in here a little bit more. All of that massive buying here. A bit of selling as the price rose, but a lot of selling just in the last few hours. This wallet is doing nothing but sales now. Now, what can we do with this information? We first of all know this is a trader that's not just jumping in and out of a token, but we know that this is a trader that tries to ride those waves, and it seems to be early before such a rally happens. What we can now do is we can look at the other holdings of that wallet. So again, this is not a recommendation to buy anything. This is simply just showing how to potentially go about getting the next rally. We take that wallet address and we put it into Sonar.watch. That wallet is currently worth $417,000. Now this is interesting, right? Because 120k or so had been made with Myro. Myro is still being held quite a bit. There's a little bit of Draco in here, but that's about it. Now ideally you want to see bigger holdings of other meme coins here as well. So one way to go about this is to simply just look at other top traders, right? And continue this quest. Continue at holders of the Myro token, for example here, 4 buying transactions, 17 selling transactions, filter by that wallet, similar purchases, similar sales. And again, we can put this into Sonar Watch, expecting to see the Myro token again, and maybe other interesting tokens as well. There we go. Quite a bit of Samo and Silly in here. A bit of Borg as well. And the rest are very, very small tokens. So that's one way to go about this. You don't have to make this super deep research. You can simply just follow the footsteps of the people that had made right calls in the past. Now, does this mean that all the future calls those people will make will also work out? Of course, it does not mean that. This could have been simply just luck. But I don't believe that much in luck. The tendency in crypto, I think, is that money moves from the not so skilled people to the skilled people. Of course, there's a little bit of luck involved, but I think over the long term, over many, many trades, for people that are trading hundreds of thousands of dollars just on the Solana chain, they might know something, right? They might not have just deposited that money. They might have made that money with trading. Now, there's another approach, right? For that first wallet, for example, where we don't have anything else but Myro. We can now track that wallet. If you've got Telegram, you can get an automatic message whenever that wallet makes a transaction. So even though the wallet might not be holding anything interesting now, they might very likely buy something in the future again. So here's our first wallet again. This is how you do this. You take the address and you go to app.cielo.finance. Now I'm opening this now in incognito mode. I'm opening this to not disclose the wallets that I'm tracking. But once you connect this with your wallet and you connect this with your Telegram account, you can monitor any trade of any wallet. You get automatically an alert. And I'm using this very heavily, especially for influencer wallets. So we've got tools to find wallets of other influencers. They might be buying a token and then promote this on their channel, pushing up the price. Now, when you know the wallet of such an influencer and you know what they're buying, you can buy before they make that promotion and you can be early. That approach and those tools and all those buying signals, etc., is all explained in the premium membership. So that's thebitcoinstrader.com. There's a video explaining this all. But even if you don't want to get into premium, the content of this video should already be enough for you to find potential candidates for the next bull run. Yes, Myro might do another 3x from here, maybe another 10x. But I think the real gain is in finding the next Myro. It's finding out what are the smart people that have already made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this coin. What are they now buying? And what you want to do is you want to buy very quickly after they get in as well. And you want to exit once they exit. And for all of that, you need to track the wallets. And you can do this with Cielo together with Sonar Watch to get more details around the wallet. If this was your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. Again, besides premium, there's also a free Telegram. Feel free to join. Link is down below.